Finding a winning product for your dropshipping store can seem difficult, but it really doesn't have to be. You just need to find what's currently working for other dropshippers, because a trending product can be the difference between a six-figure brand and a failed Shopify store. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to find $3,000 a day products in just 10 minutes. These are products backed by data. We can see other people's current sales, the ads they have running, and so much more. We'll be doing this with a simple product research tool called Zik. And without wasting any time, let's get right into it. So when you first log into Zik Analytics, it's gonna take you to this Market Insights dashboard right here. So first of all, Zik Analytics is an advanced product research tool. They'll show you the data behind the top performing Shopify stores. You guys can see over here, you have trending Shopify stores, trending products. You can see the amount of sales and revenue each one of these stores is generating. And both of these lists are updated every 24 hours. So everything you see right here is completely up to date. So already right away, you can see all these top performing products and the amount of sales they're currently getting. But let's go ahead and look up some winning products on our own. We'll go over here to the left-hand side and we'll select Product Explorer. So under the Product Explorer, we can look up winning products using all of this search criteria that you can see right here. You can search for the product type, if it's a dropshipping product, print on demand, or a single product store. We'll go ahead and look up one product stores because we want to find stores that are generating all of their revenue with just one single product. You can search by certain ad channels if they're running Facebook or TikTok ads, as well as Pinterest and Snapchat. You can search for certain keywords or exclude other keywords. So for example, say you guys are selling products in the dog niche and you want to find winning products within this niche. You can go ahead and type in dog right here, and it's going to show you all products that are related to this keyword. For the purpose of this video, we don't have any preferences, so we're going to go ahead and leave that blank. You can also search for winning products within a certain country. You can select the language, the currency, the sales date range, the minimum and maximum amount of sales, revenue, as well as the price. So let's go ahead and say we want to find products that are generating a minimum revenue of $50,000 over the last 30 days. And they're all a single product store. We'll select these three search criteria right here and we'll go ahead and search. Now you're gonna scroll through this list and find products that match these search terms, but also our winning product criteria. In case you don't remember what our winning product criteria is, let's give a quick recap. So every product you sell should match some, if not all of this criteria. Number one, you wanna sell products that are unique and not sold in stores. Your customers shouldn't be able to get in their car and drive to their local Walmart and find your product there. Why else would they buy from you? Number two, you want your product to be attention grabbing, or in other words, have that wow factor. This will allow you to create scroll stopping content that hooks your audience and gets them on your website. Whether you're running paid ads or going the organic content route, this is essential. Number three, your product should help solve a problem or a customer pain point. This can be a pain relief product, it can help boost their confidence, save them money, or any other problems you can think of. Number four, you want a product with a high perceived value. That way you can increase your profit margins and scale profitably down the line. And number five, make sure every product you sell is legal. I know this goes without saying, but so many dropshippers go around this and end up in legal trouble down the line. You want to make sure it's non-hazardous, it can be shipped around the world, there's no trademarks or copyrights, and it won't get you in any trouble. Besides that, you want to sell lightweight products that don't cost a fortune to ship, and you want to make sure everything that you offer is always high quality. Now that you know what you're looking for, let's go over our list of winning products. Okay, so you guys can see that all of these products right here match our criteria. They're single product stores and they're doing over $50,000 in revenue every single month. Keep scrolling through this list until you find something that catches your attention and you could potentially sell on your own store. So for example, this shark blanket right here is pretty catchy. They're selling it for $62. They have over 307 sales in the last 30 days and it's made them over $60,000 in revenue. This is definitely something you could scale yourself over the next couple of months. So in order to analyze the performance of this store, we'll go ahead and click on this icon right here. So right here, you guys can see that this is from a one product store in TrendSmart. They have over 325 sales over the last 30 days and over $64,000 in revenue. We can go ahead and pull up this chart right here and we can analyze their sales performance. We scroll down, you can see this shark blanket right here again. It was uploaded in March of 2024. we can go ahead and look at all of the recent orders by clicking on this tab right here. But let's go ahead and actually pull up their product page. So right here, you guys can see we have the Cuddle Shark blanket from the brand Cuddle Shark, or the store in Trendsmart like we already went over. You guys can see they have 54 high rated reviews, all 5 stars. Here's their offer right here. They're selling it for $62, marked down from $125. And they actually have some bundle options down here. So you can save an additional 55% by buying 2, 57% by buying 3. This is something you should always be including on every product page you create. You guys can see we have some high quality content of this product right here. I actually recognize some of these images straight off of Canva. They definitely took this from AliExpress, removed the background, and threw on some backgrounds of their own. I really like the way they cleaned all of this up with some high quality content. We keep scrolling right here, you can see their description. They have some supporting paragraphs, a high quality GIF of their product in action. This is something I always include on my own product pages. You always want videos, GIFs, and high quality images showing your product in action and how it works. If we keep scrolling down, you can see some testimonials down here from some satisfied customers. They have the us versus them section right here, showing premium fabric, top quality, and so on. And here's all of their customer reviews. Overall, this is a decently built, high quality product page. So in case you're wondering what apps this store is currently using for their reviews, or their bundles, or anything else, we can go back over to Zik Analytics and you can view every app this store is currently using by clicking this list right here. Now you can always see the social channels and the current ad channels each brand has running, but it looks like this brand doesn't take advantage of either. They don't have any social media channels or ad accounts for this product. So since this store doesn't have any active social media channels or ad accounts that we can look at from here, we can go ahead and see how this product is being advertised directly on TikTok. So we can go over to TikTok and we can type in Shark Blanket that you can see right here, and we can find trending videos. You want to find videos that are getting more than 1,500 views or 17,000. So for example, this video right here is getting 6.1 million views. So we can go ahead and watch this video right here to see how it's being advertised. You guys can easily order this product yourself and recreate some similar content to go viral and generate sales. You guys can also go over to the Meta Ads library and do the same exact thing. We'll type in the name of our product right here. We'll select active ads only, and we can scroll through this list and see all these different ads promoting this product. So for example, you guys can see this ad started running today, and they have quite a few different variations of this ad. So this one started running a couple weeks ago, and all the rest of them started running today. Let's go ahead and watch it. So none of these videos were shot with any crazy camera equipment or props or anything else. You can easily recreate this same content yourself and get similar results. I mean, look at the brand we just went over. They had a pretty basic product page, no social media channels, and they're doing over $60,000 a month with this blanket. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and source this exact same product to sell yourself, we can go back to Zik Analytics. You can go to the product tab right here, and we can click this AliExpress icon, and it's going to bring up potential suppliers for this product. If it says no similar products found, you'll just go ahead and click this AliExpress icon right here, and you guys can see all these different suppliers for this exact same blanket. So they're selling it on their Shopify store for $62. You can source it for $22 on AliExpress. You can always reach out to these suppliers to get lower pricing. You guys can see this one right here is $9. This one's $22, $22 again. So it looks like most of them go for between $18 and $22, but you can reach out to these suppliers and say, I expect to sell, 5 to 10 or 25 of these every single day. What's the lowest price you can do for me? Always explain who you are, introduce yourself to these suppliers, be respectful, say you're a drop shipper, and you expect to get X amount of orders every single day. Can we do some type of a quantity discount? Make sure to reach out to multiple suppliers, all with good ratings, in order to get the lowest prices possible. So you guys can keep scrolling through this list and repeat this process time and time again to find top performing trending products to sell on your own Shopify stores. Like for example, look, this product's doing $75,000 a month. This one's doing $76,000. This one's doing over $93,000 a month, over $100,000 a month. And if you analyze each one of these products in stores and come up with a similar strategy, you can hit the same exact numbers yourself. Like you guys see right here that this little robot is being sold for $209, and it's made over $240,000 in the last 30 days. Just for fun, let's pull up the numbers for this product. So you guys can see right here, it's being sold from Rocky. This is the Rocky robot. They're one product store. They have all of these different social channels. They're on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, as well as Pinterest, and they're advertising this product with Facebook ads. This store was created in September of 2020. They have over 1,100 sales in the last 30 days, and like we already mentioned, over $240,000 in revenue. We can scroll down and go ahead and click on their product page right here, and we can go ahead and look at how they're structuring this product. So there's really not much to this product page. They don't have any upsells or similar products. They don't even have any reviews imported on here. They really don't even have much of a description, yet they're doing over $200,000 every single month. So let's go back to the niche store example that we talked about at the beginning of this video. For our search keyword right here, we'll go ahead and type in dog. Say we're selling in the dog niche, and we want to find only products related to this keyword right here. You guys can also exclude certain keywords like cats if you guys are searching for pet stores or anything else. But for the purpose of this video, we'll just type in dog. You guys can include any other keywords that you would like to right up here. We'll go ahead and do one product stores once again, but we'll also include drop shipping. And this time we'll do a minimum revenue of $10,000 every 30 days. So based on all this criteria right here, let's go ahead and search. So it's gonna bring up a list of dog products that match all of these search terms. So for example, you can see this LED dog collar right here. It's being sold for $30. They have 195 sales in the last 30 days, and they've made over $10,000 in revenue. And it's that simple to find winning products that are currently performing well for other stores. Now, if you guys want to try out Zik Analytics yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link for you down below. Zik was originally an eBay product research tool, and they just expanded to Shopify. So they actually have a launch sale for their first 1,000 subscribers. This gives you 50% off and unlimited usage. I was lucky enough to have already taken advantage of this offer myself. But they've been out for a little while now, and there's only a few spots left. So I would hurry up and take advantage of this offer if this is something you're interested in. Once again, I'll leave a link for you down below. Finding winning products doesn't get any easier than this, but now you need to build a store and come up with a marketing strategy. Luckily, I have plenty of videos on this channel covering these topics and so much more. I even have a free course for you linked down below. And in case you wanted to try out Zik, I'll also leave a link for that in the description. Make sure to take advantage of their launch sale before it's too late. And if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.